Difference between fur and hair. Fur versus hair. Exploring the key differences when it comes to discussing the fascinating world of mammals, one topic that often arises is the distinction between fur and hair. While these terms are used interchangeably in everyday conversation, there are crucial differences that set them apart. In this video, we will delve into the contrasting characteristics of fur and hair, shedding light on their unique properties and functions. So, let's dive right in. Fur is a specialized type of hair that covers the bodies of various mammals, providing them with essential insulation. Primarily found in animals living in colder climates, such as polar bears and Arctic foxes, fur serves as a protective layer against the harsh elements. Unlike hair, fur is typically thicker, denser, and often possesses an underlying layer called the undercoat. This undercoat helps to trap air close to the body, creating a natural barrier against the cold. Hair, on the other hand, can be found not only on mammals but also on other creatures, including humans. It serves a multitude of purposes beyond insulation, such as protecting the underlying skin and providing sensory functions. Hair is typically longer and more flexible than fur, allowing for a wider range of styles and adaptations. While fur and hair have distinct differences, they also share common characteristics and functions. Both are composed of a protein called keratin, which gives them their strength and resilience. Both fur and hair undergo cycles of growth, rest, and shedding, ensuring continuous renewal and health. In conclusion, fur and hair are remarkable adaptations found in the animal kingdom. While fur is primarily associated with insulation and protection against harsh climates, hair serves a broader range of functions, from identity expression to temperature regulation. Understanding the differences between fur and hair not only sheds light on the diversity of mammalian adaptations but also deepens our appreciation for the wonders of nature. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.